What up YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I'm Sherry. I hope you're doing well. Today I have for you a new subscription box. Oh my goodness. Are you tired of subscription boxes with me? I don't think you are. Anyways, I'm not. And this is the Glamour jewelry box. I happened to see a video. I can't remember the lady's name. I will link her up above for you. But I saw a video and I saw this jewelry subscription. All the other jewelry subscriptions that I've seen before had you preview the pieces, send back what you didn't want, and buy the ones that you did want, and they were super expensive. And I just didn't want to go that route because number one, I don't want to have to send things back, and number two, if I really like it and it's super expensive, I'm going to be in a conundrum there. So let's get into this box. It comes in this really pretty, it's like purple watercolor, and I don't know if you can see it here, but it says Glamour jewelry box. So this is what it looks like inside. It looks to me like there's a handwritten note, which that's interesting and amazing. So let me open this up. It says thank you. And it is handwritten. That's super nice. It says, "Hi Sherry, thank you for being a Glamour Jewelry Box member. Welcome to the GJB family. We can't wait for you to unbox your first jewelry pieces. Thank you again and enjoy. Junkie and Hedel, founders of GJB." I'm not sure how you say those names, but that's super nice. That's something that you rarely ever see these days. Okay, it says Glamour Jewelry Box. It has a little card. It has, oh my goodness, little crinklies to keep it safe. But there's a really pretty little bag inside here. Let me get all the little paper pieces off of it, or at least some of them. And it's kind of like a pink little bag, so you know I'm all about it. And it says Glamour Jewelry Box on a little gold emblem here. So, oh my goodness, I'm excited, you guys. Oh, I'm already like, oh my gosh. I want to do these in order. Since I have these in my hand, the first one, these are all rose gold. They are so pretty, and you guys know I love rose gold. Here's the first one. These are the rose gold teardrop hoop earrings, retail price $24. Oh, those are pretty. It says these earrings are a modern take on the classic hoop earrings. This piece is sure to be a head turner. And they're so pretty. It's like they're hammered. I'm sure you can see a little bit of the texture there. So it's got a beautiful shape, plus it's got that hammered texture. Oh my gosh, they're pretty. They're really pretty. So far, I'm super happy. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm getting super excited. This is the rose gold bracelet. It's an adjustable rose gold bracelet, drips in a row of diamonds. This is the, let me hold it up this way so you can see the clasp. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. This little piece right here moves up and down so that you can size it to your wrist. I'm gonna put it on right now. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Let's see if I can do it myself. That will be the feet. Oh, that's cool because you can push it down with your fingers right here. I love this because I really struggle, especially with fingernails. I struggle with clasping bracelets. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you see how sparkly? And it has a little tassel that's gonna hang off. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm feeling super excited about this box. Oh, that's so pretty. See the little tassels hang down? Oh! Okay. It's gonna be okay. And last, so it looks to me like you get a bracelet, a necklace, and earrings that all coordinate with each other. Oh my gosh. The last piece is the rose gold knot lariat necklace. You guys, there's a, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. There's a little knot right there, and at the bottom there are little teardrop. See if I can hold it up for you. There's little jeweled teardrops, and you can see it on both sides of the jewel. So no matter which way it hangs, you're gonna see the jewel part. Isn't that so beautiful? It's got a little extender right here, so you can make it as long, but I mean, I can put this over my head right now. I have another necklace on right now. I probably should have taken it off, but oh my gosh, look at that. I got this on my field trip with my kids, so let me see if I can back up enough for you to see it on. I'm in a very tight space here. Can you see the little jewels? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, you guys. I am super excited about this. And I love that if you're wearing all three pieces, they're gonna coordinate. The bracelet is gorgeous. I am so happy. This is so nice, you guys. I feel so fancy. I can't wait to wear these. I don't know what I was expecting, but I didn't expect to just absolutely fall in love with every single piece. I really didn't. I didn't think it was gonna go down that way. But just one more time. Here's the rose gold hoops. The beautiful diamond bracelet with the little tassels. And then the rose gold knot necklace, lariat necklace. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the retail price of the necklace is $26. So $26, $24, and $25. So the combined price of all these, or the retail price of all of these, is $75. So basically you got $75 worth of jewelry for less than $30. I'm really happy with this, and I'm excited for more. I really am. I can't believe how beautiful the jewelry is. I wasn't expecting this. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting this. So I'm really excited, you guys. I will for sure return to you guys about the quality of the jewelry. I will definitely do an update. Maybe the next time I get a box, I'll talk about how I enjoyed or didn't enjoy this. I can't imagine that I'm not going to enjoy this because it's absolutely gorgeous. But I will let you know how I felt about the wear and how it looked and how it wore in the next unboxing, because I am absolutely keeping this subscription. These are gorgeous. I'm excited. I think it looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So forgive me for being all like awestruck, but I really am, and I cannot believe how beautiful this jewelry is. Very good first impression for Sherri. I love it. I think it's very quality, well-made jewelry. It's beautiful. It's so unique. I've never seen anything like it, and the fact that it's all rose gold and it all coordinates is super beautiful. So that's it for my very first Glamour jewelry box unboxing. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it so much. As you can see, I'm super happy with this, and I'm so excited about the future boxes. I will leave all the information on the Glamour jewelry box down in the info box if you'd like to check it out. But I think you'll like it. I really do. If you're a jewelry enthusiast, I think you'll love this. So go check it out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Got this earring in my hand. Okay, so this is what we have. So this is what it looks. Seriously.
escape reality.